Guys, Fox channel. Today I'm going to teach you about uilabel and uibutton lifecycle of ViewController. In the next video, I'm going to teach you lifecycle of application. So here, this is our ViewController. So as I told you, ViewController will be having a class name. So you have to create your ViewController with the extension of uiViewController. Then only you can assign to this extension of your uiViewController class to. Then only you can assign the class to your ViewController. Otherwise, you can't assign. And here in the top right side we have place button. So from here you can select the UI button or widget, all other widgets which we have in the future we can use while developing the application based on the requirement. For now I'm going to pick the UI button. So for this UI button, if you want the size, you can drag the you can use the tools, you can adjust the size. And here this inspector will be having a chance to select the background color, and for now default I will keep it as a white. And you can increase the size also, and you can set the style also. So do you have so many options to change according to the UI. So to implement this button actions, we have to implement the action in the view controller. It's very simple. Just select the control and drag the from button to view controller. So here you will be having two options. One is action, one is outlet. Outlet is a variable of mentioning the UI button, and action is to when you tap on the button, so the action will be performed on tap. Let's change the button name. And again control and drag and drop the here on the view controller, and you can set the outlet. So this is a button variable. Using this button variable, so using that button you can perform few more actions also. I'm gonna run the application now. It's building now. Build is successful. So if you tap on the button, the button tapped is printing, so the action is performing when you're tapping on the button. Next I'm going to explain you uilabel. So from the widgets you can pick the label, and you can increase the font size also, adjust the size, and alignment also you can pick it as a middle. After this thing you can set the outlet for this, because whenever I'm gonna prepare the action, whenever user tap on the button, set the label anything for this. So just control drag and drop the to the view controller label. So here we have a choice to set text is equal to iOS Fox. So the action for the button I'm setting as a label text iOS Fox. Run the application. Okay, the button text is changed to iOS Fox. So like this we can perform the button actions, and using the labels we can by default also we can set the label text in the viewed loop. Next I'm going to teach you about the life cycles of ViewController. For that, the life cycle of ViewController, we will be having a few view cycle methods. First one is the view did load. View will appear. View did appear. View will disappear. View did disappear. So whenever your view controller launches, the first method is going to execute is view did load. After the view is loaded into on the screen, then the view will appear will be going to call. Then the view did appear will be going to call after the view will appear. So the view did appear is the last method for launching the view. And once you are navigating to one controller to another view controller, means on the screen, view will disappear is going to get called, and view did disappear is going to get called. That's how we will navigate to one view control to another view control. I will explain in the next video. Select one view. So here we can give the storyboard ID. Next view. I'm gonna teach you how one view control to another view control in the next video clearly. But for now, just like understand about the how views controller lifecycle methods is going to be works. If you observe the first method, which is called view did load. So whenever view controller launches, the first method is going to get call is view did load, and the next method is going to call is view will appear, and the last method is going to get called after view launches is view did appear. So these three lifecycle methods are launching the view, and other two lifecycle methods are for the disappearing the view. So disappearing is one view controller to when you navigate into the second view controller, next view controller, then the view will appear, view will disappear, view did disappear is going to get called. Let's clear the logs. Now we are navigating to the one view controller to another view controller, means one screen to another screen. So at the time view will disappear and view will disappear is going to call. View will disappear and view did disappear is going to get called. So this is all about view controller lifecycle. In the next video I'm going to explain you application lifecycle.